School Board, Dr. Roddy A. Lucero. Our school administrator is Estorna D. Luzano. Our dear parents, teachers, classmates, and schoolmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are indeed very happy at last. We have reached the final day of our day today, and now wait for our test next year. The medals and ribbons we have received make our friends happy and proud. To have presented a nice program for you. As we ended our day today, we always remember those golden memories with teacher-mates, classmates, and friends. Now, as we move higher, I am certain that the academic and values founded in us at UNSD will lead us to success. Good afternoon. We'll meet again next school year. Thank you and congratulations.
Hey, Payet.
Thank you, Lord Payet. Thank you. To our dear parents, the United Methodist School of Davao appreciates and acknowledges your faith and support in the foundation of your children. The graduates will now sing their song entitled Always You for You.
Smile puti, uy.